Guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax Ship Bottom, New Jersey. This is our brand new 2022 listing of a 270 SDX with an outboard. Walking up in the bow here, you can see they carry this beam forward. Ton of space to lounge out. Storage under the seats as well on the floor. This boat's equipped with a windlass. Turn around here, you can see the wind door here and the windshield, as well as the tower option on this boat. This boat's very well equipped. Walking over here to the helm. See your 12-inch display, Mercury controls, switching, Fusion Apollo. On the port side here, you have a large head compartment. Vacuum flush head, interior upgrade. So you got a nice sink and vanity in there. Nice locking glove box. If you're stopping at a restaurant, you can lock some of your valuables in there so you don't have to worry about it or carry it in with you. Port side seat's about the same. Got storage under the starboard seat here, and then storage under all your seats in the cockpit, as well as you got floor storage here as well. Nice sun pad. Mercury Verado on the back. 300 horsepower. It's got an engine cover on it. This boat's basically brand new. Very low hours. Storage as well under here in lieu of the IO. So again, guys, this was a 2022 270 SDX we have listed here on brokerage. If you're interested in this boat, give us a call, 609-207-3325. Thank you.